Once you have decided the sources that you should be included in your literature review, it's the time to learn where to find these sources. The internet is replete with numerous sources varying from high to low quality, so it's very important for you to don a hat of a librarian and critically assess these sources. This can be based on universities or authors' reputation, can be also based on the credibility of the publisher, and so on and so forth. So, we highly recommend utilizing the database provided by your academic institution through your university library. Databases can differ based on the field of study, so we advise you to explore the available databases and select the one that aligns with your specific field of study. In this course, for example, we will be using Scopus as it well suited for research related to engineering sectors. However, it's worth noting that Scopus is not only the only option. Alternatives like Web of Science, American Society for Civil Engineering, all of these are well fit to the engineering sector research fields. Therefore, we encourage you to explore all available databases that can fit your research field. Now let's perform one research query using Scopus. Here we go. Ensure that you are on the search tab here. Yes, we are. The first box allows you to specify where the search engine should look for your keywords and the articles. For example, here we are going to choose article title, abstract, and keywords, while the second box is for inserting the keywords. Let's say our research topic is deconstruction. Search. Here we go. The resulting documents are 12,717 articles. However, it's clear that not all of these articles are related to the deconstruction of the built environment. So let's add another keyword to make the search more specific. For example, let's add construction industry. Here we go. The number of resulting articles dropped to 150 documents just by adding one phrase. Don't worry about these techniques. In the next couple of lessons, we will learn how to combine several search techniques to optimize our search results. Before ending this lesson, I want to emphasize that it's not advisable to rely only on one single database. For example, please note that Scopus does not index books and dissertations. Additionally, Google Scholar should always be on in your toolkit due to the wide variety of sources it offers and its ability to locate keywords within the full text, not just in titles, abstracts, and keywords. For example, in one of my published articles, I used Google Trends at some point, so it was related to deconstruction. So let's say we are going to add Google Trends here. So here we go. No documents matching your keywords. But if we went to Google Scholar, for example, and say deconstruction and Google Trends, here we go. Okay, there are so many articles here, like 1,000 to 250 articles. Let's add another keyword. I remember, I'm sure, use this keyword too. Demolition. Yeah, here we go. In this, the Google Scholar was able to find my article although this word or this phrase, Google Trends, I haven't put it in the abstract or the keywords of this publication, but Google Scholar was able to locate your article. That's it for this lesson. Stay tuned for the next lesson to learn how to enhance your search query.